Our vision is to be a global comtech player, and we want to be the digital fabric for our enterprise customers. So that's our vision. And I would say we are progressing quite steadfast in that vision. Historically, this company has been in the roots of being a wholesale international voice player. We defocused on voice and we put our strategic focus onto data. And within data, we have two big segments: core connectivity. That's where our our heritage and our strength comes from. In fact, a simple trivia is 1/3 of the global internet traffic goes through our network. So if you I say it in a very flippant way to all our customers that I meet, you use Tata Communications, you just don't know. That's one big chunk of our business. But if you really want to improve our relevancy quotient with our customers, we need to focus on the digital platforms and services, which is where the world is shifting to. And I fundamentally believe that the next wave of digital transformation will be unlocked through connectivity. We will be surrounded by gadgets and devices and equipments and and appliances, all of whom are going to be born connected. And therefore, that is our focus, that we bring in connected solutions, we bring in IoT, we bring in cloud hosting, security, all of this to the networking infrastructure of our enterprises. So it's a holistic digital fabric that we actually provide to our customers. And that's where our focus is, and we will drive in that direction. We have communicated that we aim to double our business by FY27, our data business, and we are going steadfast in that direction.
Yes, and your international business revenue contributes over 50% of Tata Communications' overall revenues. And the US is one of the largest markets for the company. Aren't you banking a bit too much? Because competition-wise, what makes you believe you will still have an edge, given that a lot of US companies are looking at onshoring and are looking at investing a lot in AI to provide the same services that you are looking to provide them from India?
Yes. US is a very, very important and a key market. Today, we are about $450 million in the US. Our ambition is to get to $1 billion. And I firmly believe there is potential for all of us to actually play in that market. The very unique thing about US is the digital adoption is always high. There is experimentation, there is, I would say, reception to looking at new technologies and adopting them. So I would say not, playing in US is completely unacceptable. So you need to be relevant and an interesting player in the US markets. And that's one of the reasons as to the two acquisitions that we recently did. The Switch acquisition, which predominantly, was US based and had assets outside and ability to scale up outside of the US, but came with assets inside. Plus the Kalera business, which had a predominant US presence as well, which only, I would say, boosted our own presence. But our ambition is to take our business to $1 billion in the US very soon.